So guys, we learned that how to print with conditions, but we can also set multiple conditions. So for that, I'll just copy this one and paste it over here, and assume we want one more condition. So for that we will use AND. Okay, this AND symbol, and then we will write ANDF2, then assume the column name C has a value. Okay, we have to put it in the box bracket, so I'll just write over here, yeah, that's fine. So this C column should have a value less than, sorry, greater than 0.1. Okay, so if the B column has a value less than 0.3 and the C column has a value greater than 0.1, then only it will show the details of that row. Okay, so now if I run it, you can see only this. Okay, this is showing the same things because all the values in the C column has a value greater than 0.1. So we can do one more thing, like which has a value greater than 0.6. Okay, or yeah, that's fine. Now if I run it, well, it is not doing it works, because you can see over here this 0.37 obviously not greater than 0.6. Oh yeah, we missed the parenthesis, so we have to put it into a parenthesis. That's it, because this total is of conditions, otherwise it will not, it will just check and with this statement only, it will not go further. So that's why. Now if I run it, you can see it printed only those rows who has a value greater than 0.6 in C column, right? You can see over 0.79, 0.6472 and so on, right? So in this way you can use multiple conditions.